ये ऐसी पार्टियां कौन करता है भाई? तो गोलगप्पे के पानी के बगल में वाइन, अजब हाल है। मैं तो उसी में गोलगप्पा डुबा। विष्णु,
I've been waiting for you.
हु इज दिस?
I'm a patient.
My patient come to my chamber, not to my house.
I'm the kind of patient you do not want coming to your chamber. Trust me.
Like, who are you? What's your name?
Bison Mehta.
Oh yeah, मतलब और कोई fake name you couldn't get at the better name?
Well, all your other patients tell you their real names and feed you fake stories. But I will tell you my true story. Ask me anything.
क्या करते हो? What do you do?
Listen. I can't tell you who I am. I can't tell you what I do. Neither can I tell you why I am here.
अरे तो how do we go about it? मतलब क्यों? Why will you not tell me anything?
Because fuck it. Because I am the wolf.
Oh shit. I don't want to get into any trouble. ये विष्णु कहाँ पे है?
मैंने उसको बांध के रखा है. Nice fellow, but can't have him trying to be a hero. I'll release him before going. Don't worry.
अच्छा, tell me, are you the same wolf who everybody is talking about? Thief जिसके पीछे वो सारे शहर की पुलिस पड़ी हुई है?
That's right.
So you mean I'm sitting in front of a notorious thief and all, huh? Oh, okay. तो पर मेरे पास कुछ ज्वेल या कुछ पैसा ऐसा कुछ
अरे
नहीं है।
no, I'm not here to steal from you. I'm actually here for therapy.
हाँ, थेरेपी इसीलिए तो आए होगे। हाँ, तो बताओ क्या?
Well, I've been in a bit of stress lately.
अरे आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, मतलब शहर की सारी पुलिस और प्रेस वो तो तुम्हारे पीछे पीछे भाग रही है और सारे अमीर लोग वो तुमसे दूर भाग रहे हैं। दिस कैन बी रियली स्ट्रेसफुल भाई।
No. That's not my problem.
फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
I don't know what to do with all the money.
हाँ?
I've crores of rupees stolen in the past couple of years. But to the world, I'm just an unemployed guy living with his mother. I bought my mother a new sari. She was shocked. She asked me where I was getting all the money from, and I almost got caught. I then got her gold. I told her I found it in the middle of the road. She went and donated it in the temple. Then I took her out to a restaurant. Told her I won a free meal in some lucky draw. She was so happy that day. She didn't ask me any questions. She was just happily eating. But how many times can I win a lucky draw?
तो where is all this money? Huh?
I've kept it in the storeroom on the terrace of my house. She doesn't go there. Ask me to fetch things for her. So we're good. But what if one day she goes to clean there and finds bags filled with golds and jewels? I don't want her to think her son is a thief.
Yeah, clearly I get it. Like what? कितना मतलब? How much money are we talking about here?
Probably 16 crores in cash and jewels. What is the gold rate now?
गोल्ड का रेट नहीं पता, हम लोग तो मैरी गोल्ड टाइप के लोग हैं भाई। क्या करोगे यार इतने पैसे का तुम?
वही तो. Until this money is there, how am I supposed to sleep in peace? I have sleepless nights. And because of this, I feel like stealing again.
Stealing? I mean, you go to shops and stores and all and you want to pick up stuff?
No, I don't have kleptomania, doctor.
I don't want to be treating you. You're actually a criminal here.
Oh, then you should not be treating Goldie also. I wear a mask and steal in the night. They steal from people in broad daylight.
Hey, tell me one thing. How do you know about my patients, yeah?
I've been watching you. I've been watching them too. There is a reason why I chose you as my therapist.
मैंने तो सोचा ऐसे ही अंधाधुन चले आए तुम। ना ये थोड़ा दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है ये बिना चाय के। विष्णु, अरे उसको तो बांध रखा है ना तुमने। भाई चाय वाय का कुछ जुगाड़ करो।
I'm not.
विलियमगंज के बागानों से चुना एक एक पत्ता, तंदूर से टपरी तक मिट्टी की खुशबू लाता हुआ आपका अपना ब्राउन लेबल चाय, असली मिट्टी वाली चाय, अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बंगाल टी कंपनी।
Sugar is fine, no?
मस्त चाय बनाई है भाई तुमने, मजा ही आ गया। अच्छा मेरे को एक सोल्यूशन है, पर मतलब यू हैव टू प्रॉमिस कि आफ्टर दिस यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू कम बैक हियर अगेन। दूसरा, यू हैव टू लीव मी एंड माय क्लाइंट्स अलोन, एंड प्लीज यार ये विष्णु को छोड़ दो।
Yeah, okay, I'll do that. Just tell me what the solution is.
पर यू हैव टू डू दैट इफ आई टेल यू टू,
I will do that.
एंड इफ यू डोंट,
I just told you I'll do that. Just tell me what the solution is.
right? So I think you should stop stealing.
Huh? Hey, what kind of a solution is that? I am the wolf, and the wolf steals.
And he has to stop stealing. मतलब कि छोड़ो ये सब, एक अपना जिंदगी स्टार्ट करो, do a business, get married, have children, एक बढ़िया सी happily ever after story वोरी बनाओ कुछ।
And what about the money in my house?
अरे मेरे को क्या पता भाई, मैं तुमको कोई क्राइम करो, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग करो, आई कांट सजेस्ट यू ऑल दिस। किसी अकाउंटेंट लॉयर से जाके बात करो। ब्रेकिंग बैड में भी कुछ आइडियाज मिल सकते हैं, बट लाइक आई कांट टेल यू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट। आई एम जस्ट अ थेरेपिस्ट यार।
I understand.
मतलब कि सेशन ओवर, इफ दैट इज ओके विद यू।
Of course.
Okay. Oh, and one thing. So once you leave, no, I'm going to inform the police. मेरी भी कोई moral responsibility बनती है भाई. I have to tell them that Wolf had come.
I think you can do that. And please cooperate with whatever they ask you. Poor guys, 12 hours duty, and they still couldn't catch me after all these years. They don't even know how I look. Can you believe that? In fact, you are the only one that has seen me.
Seen you. I wish I had seen you. I could have told everybody I've seen this celebrity.
Doctor, you're embarrassing me.
Are this media people also, no? They'll be asking questions.
Don't worry. Just tell them whatever you want.
All right.
You know what? I was in two minds about coming for therapy. After putting my truth out there, I kind of feel really good. I think everyone should come for therapy.
Good you said that. I wish people believed that. लोग तो थेरेपिस्ट से ऐसे भागते हैं जैसे कोई डेंटिस्ट हो।
Okay, doctor. See you.
What is that?
It's a little gift for being so thoughtful.
गया क्या? Wow. मजा ही आ गया यार।